everyone, myself Shivangi Desai, your instructor for the video series of data mining and business intelligence. Today's topic is data mart and metadata. So let's get started. Agenda of this video lecture is to understand what is data mart, reasons for creating data marts, data warehouse versus data mart, and types of data mart. We will also have a brief introduction to metadata. So let's start with data mart. A data mart is focused on a single functional area of an organization and contains a subset of data stored in a data warehouse. A data mart is a condensed version of data warehouse and is designed for use by a specific department, unit, or set of users in an organization. For example, marketing, sales, HR, or finance. It is often controlled by a single department in an organization. A data mart is a repository of data that is designed to serve a particular community of knowledge workers. Data mart accelerate business processes by allowing access to relevant information in a data warehouse or operational data stores. Because a data mart only contains the data applicable to a certain business area, it is a cost-effective way to gain actionable insight quickly. The fundamental use of a data mart is business intelligence applications. Business intelligence is used to gather, store, access, and analyze record. It can be used by smaller businesses to utilize the data they have accumulated since it is less expensive than implementing a data warehouse. There is a set of advantages of data mart. First, implementation of data mart needs less time as compared to implementation of data warehouse, as data mart is designed for a particular department of an organization. Second, organizations are provided with choice to choose model of data mart depending upon cost and their business. Third, data can be easily accessed from data mart. And fourth, it contains frequently accessed queries, so enable to analyze business trend. However, it also has a set of disadvantages. First, since it stores the data related only to specific function, so does not store huge volume of data related to each and every department of an organization like data warehouse. And creating too many data marts become complex sometimes. Now let's have a look at the reasons for creating data mart. Data mart helps to enhance users' response time due to reduction in volume of data. It provides easy access to frequently requested data. Data mart are simpler to implement when compared to corporate data warehouse. At the same time, the cost of implementing data mart is certainly lower compared with implementing a full data warehouse. A data mart is defined for a single, while a contrast data warehouse is defined for a variety of domains. Hence, data mart is more open to change compared to data warehouse. Data can be segmented and stored on different hardware and software platforms. Now let's compare data warehouse with data mart. Data warehouse is a large repository of data collected from different sources, whereas data mart is only subtype of a data warehouse. Data warehouse is focused on all departments in an organization, whereas data mart focuses on a specific group. Data warehouse designing process is complicated, whereas the data mart process is easy to design. Data warehouse takes a long time for data handling, whereas data mart takes a short time for data handling. Data warehouse implementation process takes 1 month to 1 year, whereas data mart takes a few months to complete the implementation process. Data warehouse size ranges in 100 GB to 1 TB, whereas data mart size is less than 100 GB. Now let's discuss the types of data mart. There are three different kinds of data marts, which are dependent data mart, independent data mart, and hybrid data mart. Now let's discuss each of them in detail. First, dependent data mart. Dependent data mart is created by extracting the data from data warehouse. First, data warehouse is created by extracting the data from external sources, and then data mart is created from data warehouse. A dependent data mart is a subset of a data warehouse. Dependent data mart is created in top-down approach of data warehouse architecture. This model of data mart is used by big organizations. Next, independent data mart. Independent data mart is created directly from external sources instead of data warehouse, as you can see in the figure. First, data mart is created by extracting data from external sources, and then data warehouse is created from the data present in the data mart. Independent data mart is designed in bottom-up approach of data warehouse architecture. This model of data mart is used by small organizations and is cost-effective comparatively. Third and last type is hybrid data mart. This type of data mart is created by extracting data from operational sources or from data warehouse. As you can see in the figure, first path reflects accessing data directly from the external sources, while second path reflects dependent data models of data mart. Now let's have a brief introduction to metadata. Metadata are data about data. When metadata is used in data warehouse, that defines warehouse objects. A metadata repository should contain the following. First, a description of the data warehouse structure, which includes the warehouse schema, view, dimensions, hierarchies, and derived data. Next, operational metadata, which include the history of migrated data and the sequence of transformation applied to it, currency of data, and monitoring information. Next, the algorithms used for summarization, which include measure and dimension definition algorithms, data on granularity, partitions, subject areas, aggregation, summarization, and predefined queries and reports. Next, mapping from the operational environment to the data warehouse, which includes source databases and their contain gateway description, data partitions, data extraction, cleaning, transformation rules, and security. Next, data related to system performance, which include indices and profiles that improve data access and retrieval performance, in addition to rules for the timing and scheduling of refresh, update, and replication cycles. Next, business metadata, which include business terms and definitions, data ownership information, and charging policies. That's it for this lecture. Thank you.